Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily hide your photos in iOS 14 on iPhone. So for doing this, just open your gallery, open your photos and choose photo you want to hide, for example this one, and here you can see this button. So just tap on it, and now you will see here hide. So just tap on hide and just choose hide photo. So now it successfully hide your photo. So just open your gallery and you will find it in hide photos. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.